Welcome to this lecture in which we'll walk through exercise 5.3, creating a customer orders report. This exercise is similar to other exercises that you've done starting with a blank report, with the big difference that we will decide to add an additional data table halfway through the exercise. In this exercise, we'll create a customer orders report. One of the differences about this exercise is about halfway through, we'll decide that we wanted to add another table that we didn't think about originally. So we'll see how to do that midstream. Begin by creating a blank report. Let's use our usual Crystal Extreme dataset. And for tables, let's choose customer and orders. And click OK. The links look fine. Click OK. All right, in our Field Explorer, let's go grab from the customer table the customer name, and we'll drop that into the details section. From the orders table, let's grab the order date and order ship date. All right, at about this point, we've decided that it really would look better if we had more of the details of the order, and so we need to get that from an additional table. We can add that by right-clicking on the database fields in the Field Explorer and selecting Database Expert, which brings us back to our connections. Let's expand that out, and let's go down and grab our orders detail table and add that in. The links are revised, and those look fine. And now we have our third table, orders detail. From the orders detail, let's add the following fields: order ID, unit price, and quantity. Let's save this report. And we'll name it E5.3 Customer Orders. Let's preview the report. That looks good. So let's go ahead and export it. As a PDF file for submission to Canvas. We'll use all pages, and that name is just fine. That's the end of this lesson. This concludes the lesson.